Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So today's video is I have new clothings that I've purchased recently and I want to show it to you guys with its link in the description box. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just so excited to share this to you guys. This one right here is really pretty. So the quality is in there as well as the quality, everything, the material, the shape, and the colors. So I'm pretty basic, you know that already. If you know me, you know me. I just like black and brown, but if there's any exemption, then it's gonna be this color because it suits well with my skin tone. This one right here is pretty affordable. That's why I have to exaggerate how comfortable, how soft this material is at a very affordable or reasonable price. And also how they cut this. This one right here gives the illusion of a curvy, skinny woman. Maybe it's just me, but I like it. There you go. Here you go. And this one is pretty long. It's gonna reach all the way half to your palm. And it can stay there as long as you just insert your thumb right there. It's 5/5 score. So the link will be in the description box. This is the second item I purchased. The material is impeccable. It's perfect. And the price is very reasonable. It's similar quality to Lululemon, but the price really differ. This is very affordable. You can buy a lot, but still it will not break your bank. So there you go. Quality is in there. The sizing though, for the most part, I'm extra small, but I got small this time and it still feel tight around here, but it's really pretty. I've been into exercise lately, so this is perfect combo. I like it. Don't judge, okay? I got this one. This is three variations or three colors. The first one is white. I just folded it. It's because it's pretty long. Let me just show you how long it is. So it's pretty long. I don't need that much. So I just folded it like that. So that's number one. Number two. This is the third color. I like this color as well as the oatmeal because this color right here translate well with my skin tone. I feel pretty with these kinds of color, and the quality of this one right here is it's not thick material, but perfect for layers, also like transition in between hot and cold weather. And you get what you paid for. This is affordable, so don't expect a higher quality material because it's really gamble. You rarely get an excellent items with a affordable or cheap price. When you say cheap, it's in a lower quality, and then there's affordable and there's expensive. So this one right here, this is cheap, and you get like a mid range quality. It's like the neck part. Sometimes if you don't fix it, it's just like, like you can really tell that there's something in here that doesn't look right. So you have to fix that. And also, right here is not tight enough, so your like bra might show a little bit, and it's pretty long. It's the color that made me buy this. I considered throwing some of my house clothes and replace it with pajamas because you know it's more comfortable wearing pajamas at home. So the quality of this is pretty. So I got here the pajama, like just lounging around the house. I like it. The quality is in there, and this is also affordable. Oh my god. I bought three pajamas, but then the other one I'm not gonna be showing it to you. It's because it it might look pretty on camera, but it's just the quality is not in there. The pants is really tight, it's not loose, so I'm not even sure if it's comfortable, and I don't like wearing it, you know, it's just so ugly. This one right here, it really looks so pretty. That's why I like this color, because my skin is just glowy with this color. The weather is getting colder, so this is perfect. Long sleeve. Pretty. So done with the apparels. Is it apparel? So done with those. Now I'm gonna show to you some items that I bought from cosmetic brands. Is it cosmetic brand? Yeah, I bought online. So we've got here items. I was surprised. I was really excited when I got these. Some items are like items that I don't even know, and I don't think I'm gonna use them. So the first one is we have here the Bumble and Bumble baby gel. I don't use gel. We have here the oops, I didn't even remove it from the plastic. So I've got here Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. I don't even use mask. And then we have here two items. It's actually three items. First is we have here from Jo Malone. So we have here two Jo Malone London body and hand wash. There you go. Gel Moussant. So this is Wild Bluebell and the other is English Pear and Fresia. Which one? This one right here, the English Pear. I like the smell, and also we have here another Jo Malone. Oh, perfume! Oh my God, not perfume. It's cologne. It's the Nashi Blossom, which I like. I'm just excited to use this, and it's so cute. I've got the big one. No, I'm not gonna show that. Last but not the least is this one right here by Estee Lauder. This is their Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm with its box. Let me just show it to you. The container. There you go. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items from. Oh, I forgot. Let me just check the box. Cosmetics company, I think. I think it's cosmetics companies. So there you have it, guys. Those are the things that I got recently. You know, I love sharing my items, like the items that I bought with you guys, because who else? My husband can't relate, so I just have to share it with you guys. So there you have it. Again and again, everything will be in the description box below. Any questions are welcome. So see you on my next post, guys. Don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. See you on my next post. Bye.